On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Alright, and I'm just finishing up cutting the papaya. I have just a couple of pieces so we can put it into the salad with the rest of our veggies. Okay, so you can put more if you like, but I'm just going to put it over here and then we'll put it all together in the salad bowl. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Usually it's sort of what we call a composed salad, so I'm going to take some of the mesclun salad that I bought and put that down at the bottom. In a composed salad, we're actually just going to make it and then put the dressing on top, and then as people are eating it, they can mix it as they like. And then we're going to put in some of the green beans in there. And we're going to put in some of the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So we just want it to be colorful. And then we'll put some of our papaya on the top. So you can see the pretty colors. So then we'll put our dressing right on top.